Question 15, we've got two straight lines. Line 1 is nicely in the form y equals mx plus c. This one isn't, but we're told that line 1 and 2, they're perpendicular to each other. So we'll have a linking of the gradients, and we need to find the value of this unknown k. Well, the first job is to get line 2 into the form of y equals mx plus c. So let's get that done first. And there is the line, and to get this into y equals mx plus c, we need to isolate y. So 6y, move the rest to the other side. They both change their signs. This becomes negative kx, and this becomes positive 12. Now we've got to divide through by 6, so therefore I can say that y is equal to negative k over 6, x, plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. So let's go back to L1. Well, the gradient of L1 is given by 2. So therefore the gradient of L2 is equal to negative a half. And that's because we're told that they're perpendicular to each other. The relationship is the negative reciprocal. There's an equation. We know the gradient of line 2, it's given by negative k over 6. So therefore I can say that negative k over 6 is equal to negative a half. Well, effectively the negative signs cancel, and the 2 cancels with the 6 to be 3. So therefore k over 3 is equal to 1, and therefore k is equal to 3. And there is the answer.